Good morning, children, boys and girls. How are you this week? Today is a science lesson. Science lesson, but it's an English lesson. Yes, today we have a science lesson in English. Fantastic! And the lesson's title is The Water Cycle. Water cycle. Think about it. In Italian, water is acqua and cycle is ciclo. So the water cycle is il ciclo dell'acqua. Molto bene. Now speak about water, acqua, and the transformation of the water. Because water can be, l'acqua può essere, water can be a drop, una gocciolina, can be rain, can be ice, water can be snow, and can be river, water can be sea, and water can be lake. Water has got three different states, i tre stati dell'acqua. Liquid, gas or vapor, and solid. I tre stati dell'acqua sono liquido, solido e gassoso, vapore. Liquid, solid, and gas or vapor. But what is the water cycle? Look at the picture and this is the water cycle. It's the water path on the earth. Path vuol dire il percorso, la strada, che fa l'acqua, the water path on the earth, sulla terra. Earth, planet, è il pianeta Terra. So, what's the water cycle? It's the water path on the earth. And the water cycle has got 4 processes. Process number 1, process number 2, process number 3, and process number 4. What's the name? What are the name of these 4 processes? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. The process number 1 is evaporation, and the liquid water became vapor or a gas. Quindi l'evaporazione è il processo per cui l'acqua liquida diventa vapore, diventano gas, piccole goccioline, particelle di gas. Evaporation. The process number 2 is condensation. The little vapor drops, quindi le piccole goccioline, particelle di vapore, condense, quindi vengono condensate, diventando clouds, nuvole. So, in the process number 2, condensation, the little vapor drops became clouds. In the process number 3, precipitation, the drops fall down, quindi le goccioline cadono. In che modo? With rain, by rain or snow. La pioggia o la neve fa cadere a terra, fall down, the drops. And the process number 4, collection, l'acqua caduta, precipitata, viene raccolta. In che modo? Liquid or solid water is collected in the sea, nel mare, in the rivers, nei fiumi, in the lakes, nei laghi, and in the sea, in the rivers, and in the lakes, there's liquid water, or in the glaciers. Glaciers sono i ghiacciai, and there's a collection of the solid water in glaciers. Okay? So the four processes of the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. This cycle never stops. Don't stop the cycle. Is a continued cycle of the water. Quindi non si ferma mai, è un continuo ciclo che avviene sulla Terra. Now it's a multimedial time. Are you ready? First of all, listen to the song. Can you recognize some words? Quindi riesci a riconoscere alcune delle parole che abbiamo visto oggi nella canzone? Let's go!
Listening 28. Sing The Water Cycle.
The sun shines down, 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 down on the river, down on the sea. Vapor from the river and the sea goes up, high, high, high in the sky. The water cycle goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Vapor makes clouds, 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 high in the sky, high in the sky. First a little cloud and then a big, big cloud, high, high, high in the sky. The water cycle goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Rain and snow fall down, 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 down from the clouds, down from the clouds, falling in the river, falling in the sea. Drip, drip, drip from the sky. The water cycle goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The water goes down, 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 down from the hills, down from the hills, falling in the river, falling in the sea. Drip, drip, drip from the hills. The water cycle goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The water cycle goes round and round, 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 round and round.
Okay, so this is the water cycle song. I hope you like this song and avete capito alcune parole che abbiamo imparato oggi. Spero che le abbiate riconosciute. Now, watch the video. Click on the link and watch the water cycle video.
Hopscotch!
Heat turns water into vapor, a gas that rises through the air. And cold makes vapor condense to liquid and fall back down everywhere. Heat turns water into vapor, a gas that rises through the air. And cold makes vapor condense to liquid and fall back down everywhere.
We are water molecules and we're on an epic journey all around. It's called the water cycle, from the sea to the air to the ground.
Evaporation, water turns to vapor. Condensation, vapor turns to drops. Precipitation, drops fall down and they collect all over the ground. Evaporation, water turns to vapor. Condensation, vapor turns to drops. Precipitation, drops fall down and they collect all over the ground.
We can fall as many things like rain or sleet or snow. And we collect almost anywhere, wherever water freezes or flows. You can call it the hydrologic cycle too.
And they even cycle in and out of animals, plants, and you.
Ew.
Heat turns water into vapor, a gas that rises through the air. And cold makes vapor condense to liquid and fall back down everywhere. Evaporation, water turns to vapor. Condensation, vapor turns to drops. Precipitation, drops fall down and they collect all over the ground. Evaporation, water turns to vapor. Condensation, vapor turns to drops. Precipitation, drops fall down and they collect all over the ground.
Fantastic. I love this song. Do you like it? And homework for next week. First of all, memorize the words, quindi dovete ricordarvi, memorizzare il nome di queste parole: water cycle, drop, snow, river, rain, ice, sea, lake, liquid, vapor, solid, and cloud. Of course, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. So memorize these words. And homework number 2, complete the page 72 and 73. In this line, you have to write the name of, for example, number 1 is river, so I write river. Number 2, number 3, and going on. And in these 3, 4 white box, you write the name of the process. For example, evaporation, and then going on. Okay. Number 2, you have to match the name of the process of the water cycle to the pictures. Okay, so match. This is the water cycle song we listened before. And the homework number 3, very, very important. Draw the water cycle on your notebook. Quindi puoi disegnare il ciclo dell'acqua sul tuo quaderno oppure produrre un piccolo modellino, quindi puoi sbizzarrirti, puoi essere molto creativo con un disegno, un modello, come vuoi tu, usando varie tecniche artistiche. E i disegni, io non vorrei dire i disegni più belli perché spero di riceverli tutti fatti con la massima cura. So the best drawing can be yes, ok, sì, possiamo trasformarli in virtual poster, ok? Quindi i disegni più belli o comunque tutti i disegni che mi manderete, se saranno molto curati, fatti molto bene, quindi con attenzione, diventeranno un poster, un cartellone virtuale, a virtual poster, ok? Per avere un ricordo dell'attività. So, homework number 1, homework number 2, and homework number 3. Bye bye, children. See you the next week. Kiss and hugs. Bye bye.